Okay guys, this is the look. It's a little drama with the cyber on the MAC cyber on the lip. It's quite a dark purple. I love purple, so yeah, this is my first. Hi guys, happy new year. This is my first video for the new year. Yay me! Happy new year. I want to say happy new year again. I can't stop saying happy new year. Happy new year to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you guys have a prosperous 2014. Yes, 2014. And yeah, as you guys can see from down below, I am doing my first collab, and it is a Get Ready With Me birthday edition. Yeah, and it is with no other than Mittysurtz. Yeah, Moya here on YouTube, the British Jamaican. Yeah, big up yourself, Moya. Thank you for doing this video with me. I'm very appreciative. Thank you so much. And the reason why it's a birthday edition is because my birthday was the 10th. Yeah, I did enjoy it. Thank you very much for asking. And Moya's birthday is on the 1st of February. So yeah, that's the reason for the birthday edition Get Ready With Me collab. And I will be doing the day look, or I did the day look, as you can see, and Moya will be doing the night look. So this is the look that you do for the day of your birthday if you're going to like a nice dinner with your family, and it's not so dark, so it's perfect for the day. A neutral lip, and I showed you a dark lip that you could do with this look also, and it's great for the day. Nice, clean and simple. And Moya will be showing you the night look that you do to glam it up a little bit more, step a notch for the night of your birthday. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I want to thank you so much once more for subscribing. Tell your friends about my channel. Yeah, tell them about it, make them subscribe, make them like, make them comment, do comment. And a sneak peek, I'll be having a giveaway soon, so please look out for that. And remember to watch my channel, read the description box, because a giveaway is coming soon, so look out for that. Thank you, Moya, once again. Good girl, big up yourself. Thanks for this collab with me. I'm stuttering because I'm so excited. Thank you for doing this collab with me. I really appreciate you doing this for me, with me. And thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So bye guys.